Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to fix the Litmatch login error. First, on your mobile device, tap and hold the Litmatch app icon until you see a menu. From the menu, tap on App Info. Now tap on the option labeled Force Stop. This will stop the app from running in the background, which can sometimes fix issues like login errors. Next, tap on Storage and Cache. Here, tap on Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that might be causing the login error. Finally, tap on Clear Storage. This will reset the app, but keep in mind that it will log you out and remove app data, so make sure you have your login details handy before doing this. Once all these steps are completed, open the Litmatch app again and try logging in. This should help resolve the issue. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.